Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah, thank you to the examiners who have been present in this Zoom meeting. Today, Sri Dayani will present the result of her research with the title "The Effect of Warm Water Food Therapy on Reducing Blood Pressure to the Elderly with Hypertension with Literature Review Method." Okay, today we will be divided into 3 sessions. For the first session is presentation from Sri, and the second session is question and answer from the examiners, and then the third session is the final conclusion. For the first session, please Sri to present your result of research for the maximum 10 minutes.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to say thank you very much for spending your time for me. Honorable First, Mrs. Tria as Master of Ceremony, and first my supervisor, Honorable Second Supervisor, Mr. Yuswandi, Honorable First Examiner, Mr. Budi, and Honorable Second Examiner, Mr. Oop. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sri Dayani. In this meeting, I would like to explain about my research title about the effect of warm water food therapy on reducing blood pressure to the elderly with hypertension. Literature review. Let's moving forward to the material. Chapter 1, background. In the world, according to MSRI 2019, hypertension is the number 1 cause of death in the world every year. This is because hypertension is a risk factor for diseases such as heart disease, kidney failure, diabetes, and stroke. According to World Health Organization, in 2015, 1.13 billion people in the world have hypertension. In Indonesia, according to MSRI 2019, the incidence of hypertension in Indonesia is ranked 6 out of 10 chronic non-communicable disease. According to Riskesdas 2018 in Indonesia, the highest percentage was age 55 until 64 years and are 55.2%, and then age 45 until 54 years are 45.3%, and then age 31 until 44 years are 31.6%. Chapter 2, concept elderly. Elderly is a natural process that occurs characterized by change in anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry of tissues and organs that affect the state of body function. Hypertension. In the elderly population, hypertension is defined as a diastolic pressure of 90 mm mercury and a systole of 160 mm mercury. Hypertension is a risk of premature morbidity and mortality, which increase with the increase in diastolic and systolic pressure. Smelger and Baer 2013. One of the non-pharmacological treatment for hypertension is warm water food therapy. According to Setio Adi and Kusharyadi 2011, warm water food therapy is part of food hydrotherapy. Warm water food therapy is a therapy used to vasodilate blood vessels so that blood circulation becomes smooth. This is because warm water has a physiological impact on the body. And then therapeutic benefits of warm water food therapy are improve blood circulation, reduce edema, improve muscle relaxation, resist the heart, relax muscle, relieve stress, relieves muscle strength, muscle fine, relieves fine, increase capillary permeability, provides warmth to the body, so it's useful for reducing blood pressure therapy in hypertensive sufferers. Chapter 3, research methodology. Literature search strategy, literature criteria, quality assessment, literature selection, and then research ethics. Literature strategy, I'm data search, I'm using Google Scholar 119, Portal Garuda 20, Scopus 1, PubMed 1. Keyword based on PCOS, population, hypertension sufferers, intervention warm water food therapy, comparison intervention group and control group, output, decrease blood pressure, study quasi-experiment, time 2016 until 2021. Literature criteria, inclusive and exclusive, population, full text article about the effect of warm water food therapy on reducing blood pressure to the elderly with hypertension, exclusive article that only show abstract, exposure warm water food therapy, exclusive pharmacological therapy, comparison intervention group and control group, outcome decrease blood pressure, study design quasi-experiment, exclusive qualitative time 2016 until 2021, exclusive less than 2016, language English and Indonesia. Literature selection, Prisma, prepared reporting item for systematic review and meta-analysis. The selection stage consists of 1. Identification, 2. Screening, 3. Eligibility, 4. Include. Data analysis, I'm using 6 national journal and 2 international journal. Quality assessment, I'm using GBI, Joanna Briggs Institute, Title 1, score 8, Title 2, score 8, Title 3, score 7, Title 4, score 9, Title 5, score 8, Title 6, score 8, Title 7, score 9, Title 8, score 8. And then research ethic. Plagiarism checker result. Plagiarism quantity are 24% duplicate. And then chapter 4, result and discussion. Characteristic of respondent from the first journal show that the large group suffering from hypertension was female, which amount to 10 respondents, with elderly age 60 until 74 years totaling 11 respondents, and not taking medication totaling 13 respondents. Varianti et al. 2017. Characteristic of respondent from the second journal of 22 respondents, the majority are female, and the most age is between 60 until 74 years. 31 respondents had a history of smoking. As many as 26% respondents were diligent in exercising every morning. 22 respondents say that they were diligent in attending the posyandu for the elderly. And as many as 57% of the respondents were included in the overweight BMI, ILCAPA 2016. Characteristic of respondents from the journal to the 3 groups suffering from hypertension, namely female, and the majority age 70 until 75 years, as many as 15 respondents, with education not attending school totaling 10 respondents. Dilianti et al. 2017. Characteristic of respondents from the 4th journal, namely the group suffering from hypertension, the majority of which are female, totaling 10 respondents, with an average age of 60 until 69 years, totaling 7 respondents. Jarudin and Amin, 2017. Characteristic of respondents from the 5th journal, namely the majority of respondents who suffer from hypertension, namely female, as many as 2018 respondents with senior more than 65 years, as many as 2060 respondents, the majority of respondents work as housewife, style as many as 16 respondents. Pristiani 2020. Characteristic of respondent in the 6th journal, namely the majority of respondents who suffer from hypertension, namely female, as many as 10 respondents with an age of 45 years, as many as 4 respondents. Education of the most respondent is elementary school with a sample of 10 respondents, and as many as 8 respondents work as farmer. Arapa 2019. In the 7th journal, which is an international journal, this is journal, there are no characteristic of respondent, only people with hypertension. And then the 8th journal is an international journal. In this journal, the characteristic of respondent are 18 and 60 years old. And then result of identification of similarity and difference article. Similarity, aspect of research objective, the type of research used in all article is quantitative, the data collection method in all journal use observation sheet for free test and post-test blood pressure result. The result obtained in all journal are that there is an effect of warm water food therapy on reducing blood pressure in the elderly with hypertension. Difference, the language used in the study, there are 2 international journals using English. The number of population and sample are different in each article or journal, and the place used in the study. The result, identification, analysis, and synthesis. From first journal until eighth journal, there are similarity in data collection technique, type of research, and the result of food therapy. But there is a difference in the number of respondent sample and sampling technique. And then individual characteristic, the result of characteristic respondent from all journal found the majority characteristic of respondent who suffer from hypertension are on the characteristic of gender and age. And only some journal that have characteristic of respondent with a history of smoking, obesity or overweight, education, and of occasion. Similarity and difference article, the similarity lies in goal aspect, the result of the research and the topic of the research, problem taken, the effect of warm water food therapy on reducing blood pressure to the elderly with hypertension. The type of research is that all journal use a quantitative research design, the approach used is quasi-experiment, data collection technique using observation sheet of pre-test and post-test, result of blood pressure measurement. The population and sample as a whole showed that there are the same research subject, namely those who suffer from high blood pressure of hypertension. Data analysis carried out by research is generally the same in all journals, starting from reduction and then proceeding with data presentation using different technique until finally drawing conclusion to show the final result of the study, whether to answer the predetermined problem formulation or not. Article difference is the difference lies in the number of respondents taken, the sampling technique used, and the different research placed. Article analysis and synthesis. Based on the research observation from the analysis of all journal, the results show that the majority of respondents suffer from hypertension grade 2 and grade 1. After warm water food therapy, there are a decrease in the degree of hypertension to grade 1, hypertension, prehypertension, and normal blood pressure. The result of the synthesis of all journal that influencing the occurrence of a decrease in blood pressure when the warm water food therapy is carried or are seen from the temperature of therapy, the time of therapy, and how often the respondent does therapy. And then chapter 5, conclusion. The result of the analysis of all journal show the effect of warm water food therapy on reducing blood pressure in the elderly with hypertension. The majority of the characteristic of respondents who suffer from hypertension are gender and age. And then suggestion, the result of this literature review can be an alternative complementary therapy for the elderly to do warm water food therapy in the hope that it can reduce blood pressure in hypertension. Maybe that's all I can explain. I would like to say sorry if there is any mistake. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Dan farmakologisnya.
Izin menjawab, Bapak.
Ya.
Terapi ini pada selain lansia nggak?
Nggak semua dari jurnal.
Pakai apa pembandingnya?
Kepada lansia dengan
Ya, Sri, dari hasil tadi klarifikasi tanya jawab para penguji, kami sudah mengumpulkan nilai untuk sidang hari ini. Sri mendapatkan nilai dalam rentang A. Baik sekali. Selamat ya, Sri.
Alhamdulillah. Terima kasih, Ibu, Bapak.